أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to www.islamicclasses.com, and my name is Hafiz Bilal. Hope you are doing well, and thanks for watching our tutorials. And this is our next tutorial, in which tutorial we will read the Makhraj number 15, and this is the first part of Makhraj number 15, because in Makhraj number 15 basically we deliver three letters. So that three letters lesson are divided in the different section. So here we will discuss the first part of the 15, and inshallah in the next tutorial we will read the second part of the 15 makhraj. So let us start now. The makhraj number 15 is the first part from makhraj number 15, and we deliver three letters basically, because right now we are reading the first part of that makhraj number 15. So from this first part we say the letter ba, and as you can see the definition here, pronounced from the wet part of both lips. The ba is articulated by closing the two lips together, but a stronger closing than the meem. Now you can see here in the image the ba, what we read about the ba, pronounced from the wet part of both lips. Okay, so wet is the inner part of our lips. So we say now ba, ba. You should join the inner lips together, and that are the wet part of the lips, and then you can read easily this ba letter sound, as you can see here in this image also. Ba. And now just practice with me. Ba, ba, b, b, boo, boo, ab, ab, ib, ib, ub, ub. As you know, why we are making this bouncing sound in the end on the bar, because this is also a bouncing letter, okay, like a kalkala letter. That's why we are making this kalkala sound here, and that is the strong kalkala here, like we say ab, ib, ub. All right, and now just the examples of ba in the word, how to read in the word. ضرب, ضرب, حبط، حبط، حسبنا، حسبنا. Make sure separate read each letter sound. Okay? The next one is قبل، قبل، إبراهيم، إبراهيم، يبصرون، يبصرون. Okay, we have finished the examples of the letter ba, and if you have any kind of question regarding this ba, you can ask anytime, or just look our online courses here. Don't forget to subscribe our this online channel, and take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.